May I come in, madam?
Yes, please come in. Hi, please have a seat.
Thank you.
May I have your resume?
This is my resume.
Hi, Roshan. Welcome to the round one for the role of Junior Java Programmer.
Thank you.
So, in this role, we'll be testing your technical as well as communication skill set. So, before we start up, I'll just give the introduction about the company as well as myself. So, I'm Manaswini, a Senior Talent Acquisition Specialist here, serving this company from 3 years. And I'll be dealing with only the freshers hiring and the first round for freshers. So, I'll be dealing with all the screening rounds and these kind of round 1 and round 2, if needed, round 3 as well. So whatever the technical things that I need to post, I will just get it from my technical team. So that's about myself and this company. Houston Infotech has been serving its services from 15 years. It has into training, placement and staffing, and we do have n number of clients from startup to MNC, and with the clients we do get a lot of unsuccessful projects that employees are doing and they are also being a part of our success stories. So that's about the company and as well as myself. So to start off the interview, can you tell me about yourself, Roshan?
Good morning, madam. Thank you for this opportunity. My name is MD Roshan Zamir and I am from Gujarat. I have completed my BTech with a specialization into mechanical engineering in the year 2024 from Abdul Kalam Institute of Technology and Sciences. My certifications are I have learned web development from Panic Solutions in the year 2024. My technical skills are I'm a Java full stack developer. My latest project is about design and analysis model turbulent for solid rocket motor. Team size took about 5 members and duration took about 1 month. And we have used CATIA Big and ANSYS Workbench. And outcome was analyzing the optimizing turbulent solid rocket motor. My short-term goal is to be based in an MNC company, and my long-term goal is to see as a senior developer. My strengths are a hardworking person and I'm able to understand quickly. My weakness is that I'm able to understand line by line. My hobbies are I love to cook new dishes and I love to travel new places.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for that. So, you have given importance to your project in your self-introduction, right? So, can you tell me a position where you have started it like very hard? What are the skills that you have taken in that project? So, okay, this is so hard to gel it down. I don't know how it goes well in the project. So, while you have completed, okay, this is so simple that I have thought about it so hard. So, what is it one skill when you're trying to accomplish your project?
So, that project took about 5 members from it. So, 1 member isn't enough to create this project. Every team member has to give a contribution to this project.
Okay.
So we have used team members for that.
Okay.
And by using CATIA V5, I faced those situations.
Oh, okay. Fine, good. So, let's go to the technical part. So, as this round is totally to screen your technical knowledge itself. So, can you tell me in Java about the constructors? What is the information that you got to have?
Constructors is similar to a method used to initialize the instance variables.
Okay.
Constructor name and class name should be same. There are 2 types of constructor, default constructor and parameterized constructor. In default constructors, we don't have any parameters. In parameterized constructor, we have parameters. Constructor is called when class object is created. Constructor does not return any value, not even void.
Oh, okay, fine. So, can you tell me the different methods in Java?
Methods is a group of statements that performs a specific task. A method is called when class object is created. If a method returns any value, we have to use return statement in the method body.
Okay, fine, good. So, can you tell me the salient features of Java?
Features of Java. Simple, secure, distributed, object-oriented language, high performance, interpreted, portable. That's all.
Okay, great. So let's go to the communication side of the questions that we do have right now in the questionnaire that I wanted to give you. So Roshan, can you tell me what is your game plan for upcoming 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
As a fresher, wherever I am hired, I want to serve to the fullest of the company, leading to the mutual development of the growth of company and myself.
Okay, fine. So, can you tell me what is your professional aspiration in the upcoming years? Like, what do you aspire to be?
Now at all, I am a fresher, and upcoming I will be as a senior developer in that company, leading to the growth of the company.
Okay, great. So, in the JD of this role where you have applied, so we haven't mentioned the salary for that role, and you have just come for the job itself. So, as a fresher, what are your expectations? Like, how do you expect, and can you give me a range of salary that you're expecting?
As a fresher entering the job market, my main priority is to get a valuable experience and contributing to the growth of the company. According to my skills, I would, and I have researched the job market.
Okay.
I would be looking for a 4 to 5 LPA per annum.
Fine, okay. So, as you have said, you have done your market research. So, apart from the skills that we have mentioned in the JD, so can you give me any other 2 skills that are needed for a Java developer to perish in the industry?
Sorry, madam.
So, in the market research, you might know this Java developer needs XYZ skills. In the JD, we have mentioned some ABC skills. Other than ABC skills, what do you think Java developer need these 2 skill set to flourish in the industry?
Java developer, as a developer, you have to be a full stack.
Okay.
You need to be precise in everything.
Okay.
Like HTML, CSS, and everything. So that makes us
Good, fine. So, Roshan, like whatever you have said, I have captured from my end. So, before we wrap up, so can you rate yourself on Java itself, only Java programming language? On a scale of 5, how do you rate yourself in Java programming language?
As I'm a fresher now, I would rate myself as a 4 out of 5.
Okay, great. So, how do your friends will describe you in one word?
They describe me as an enthusiast.
Oh, fine. So, before we wrap up, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, ma'am. What do you think about my candidacy?
Okay. So, that's a genuine question that I have heard so far. So, whatever the reaction or something, okay, this person is something that can be good enough. So, candidacy or candidature, when I looked at your resume, the project is something that is captivating because that is something that I've asked in the first question itself. So it has like a mechanical kind of exposure and something related to motors and all of these things. So that is really captivating, and the answer that you have said to me also, there is one skill that I have that has been challenging for me, as well as I have come up with a very good skill proficiency in that. So, okay, that would be one of the leading points to get to this interview. So, one project, and second one is like when I get to see your resume, I see like there is lot of like coming from a I can't say rural and urban, I can't label them, but where the place it has low educational background, and you have come up till here with whatever the candidatures or certifications that you have done. Second thing is, I can say your certifications really captivated me. So that's why I just wanted to see yourself here as an employee of the Newson, not only the round 2 and round 3. So with the projects that we do have right now, and in the future for Java specific projects that we wanted to have for you guys, I can say you will be one of the valuable assets for us.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, so that's, I can say that those are the 2 things that has captivated, that those are the captivating factors in your resume, I can say.
Thank you, madam.
So do you have any more questions?
No, madam.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much for your time, Roshan. as I've hoped for you. Let's hope for the best and let's see the further things.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.